Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I've got kind of a beautiful mess here on my little drop paper. And I've seen a lot of people doing a dip technique where they take their canvas and just dip it into paint. And I thought, I'm going to use this leftover paint from my last pour. Lay it all out on here. I have more in the cup here. Just kind of lay it out. And an interesting design. And I'm going to take this canvas, it's an 8 by 10. Blank canvas, there's nothing on it. And I am going to set it right down in this beautiful mess. Okay, are you ready for this? I'm going to pick it up towards you. Oh, that's really neat. Take a look at that. There are some bare spots on the canvas though, so I'm gonna give it one more dip. Give it a try here. Push that down. Just one more time. Hopefully I didn't ruin it. Ah! Wow. That's really cool. It's really cool. I do still have a couple of little bare spots. I'm going to try and very carefully fill them in. That's really neat looking. I like it. I'm going to take the torch to it because it looks like there's some cells coming up. Not much. Very pretty. Very pretty. Well guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Try it yourself. This was a lot of fun. I like the way it turned out. Please subscribe to my channel if you would, if you haven't done it already. Thanks for visiting with me. Bye.